Here I have TOSCIDO X109, and today I'm going to show you how to take screenshot on this device. So to do this, all you need to do is to just hold down power key plus volume down at the same time for about a second like this. And that's how you can take screenshot. So let me show you once again. Power key, volume down. And that's how you can easily take screenshot. You can find your screenshots in gallery in the screenshots section. Can I not update it right now? Just see screenshots. And here they are. Okay. So from here you can share, edit or delete your screenshots. Unfortunately, I can't perform any of these actions because it forces me to update Google Photos right now, but I think it's not that necessary. So yeah. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.